Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into video 701, how to rekey your SSL certificate on GoDaddy for 2025. If you're managing a website, you know SSL certificates are crucial for security, encrypting data and building trust with your visitors. Rekeying basically means renewing your SSL key to keep things fresh and secure, especially with upcoming changes in 2025. It's simpler than it sounds, but let's break it down step by step so you can do it yourself without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have your GoDaddy account ready. Log into your GoDaddy dashboard, that's the hub for all your web services. Once you're in, navigate to the SSL Certificates section. You'll see a list of your active certificates there. Find the one you want to rekey and click on it. Next, look for the Rekey or Renew option. This is where the magic happens. GoDaddy will prompt you to generate a new certificate signing request, or CSR. If you're not sure how, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Open your server's control panel or use a tool like OpenSSL to create a new CSR. Copy the details carefully, as accuracy is key to avoid errors. Now, paste that CSR into the rekey form on GoDaddy. Double-check everything, like your domain name and organization details, then submit the request. GoDaddy will process it quickly, usually within a few minutes to a day. Once approved, you'll get your new SSL certificate files via email or in your dashboard. After that, install the new certificate on your website's server. Test it out by visiting your site. Look for the padlock in the browser bar to confirm it's working. If you run into issues, GoDaddy's support is top-notch, so reach out to them. Rekeying your SSL on GoDaddy keeps your site secure and compliant, especially with 2025's updated standards. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more web tips. See you in the next video.